I love dresses. I love bodycon dresses. I made this and it's actually quite a simple top to make. It's not all out there. It's nice. It just nips in at the right places. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd come and show you all of the makes that I did for the month of September. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I come on and talk about weekly tips, tricks and advice on how you can really succeed in your handmade business. So without further ado, here we go. Now, so from the last couple videos, I talked about I wanted to do my own sewing challenge, and I know I haven't been uploading at all for the past how many weeks, but I have been busy. I promise you I have been busy. And yeah, so today I wanted to show you all the makes that I did for the month of September. Now I'll leave a card above on the last couple of videos. The last video I did, I made a really nice sort of A-line dress, so you can have a look at that. But today I thought I'd come and show you all the makes that I did for September, and I'm actually quite proud of myself, so hopefully you like it. I will be sort of like showing you how they look on. Some of them I did quite small for other people, so not all of them I'll be wearing, but you'll see the ones that obviously that I wear. If you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave a link below, or you'll see it somewhere on this video. Yeah, so the first make that I did was this sort of off the shoulder elastic top. So it goes off the shoulder and you put your arms through here and it just flows down like that. So it's really sweet. I made this and it's actually quite a simple top to make, but yeah, I wanted to just experiment with just casual wear. You know, when you just want something to wear just to go lunch or something with your friends, or go to the cinema, something just nice, cute, whatever, just to throw on. So I made this, and yeah, I really enjoyed making that. So what I did, I made another one. I made one in another color. So this print here, I made this top as well. It's the same top, sorry. So again, you see that I've got the sleeves here and then it just drops down. So, and it's really simple to make. You can go on YouTube and find how to make off the shoulder ruffle tops. I just follow a couple tutorials and I was just like, yeah, I'm making that. I don't really have, I'm not going to say that I'm a really good sewer, because you know, I'm actually quite a lazy sewer, but I just want to make loads of stuff, so I don't sort of like practice on one thing. I always sort of like try and rush through so I can make the next thing. But I wanted to make this skirt because I wanted to see if I've got the knack. So that the thing is, I'm not good at invisible zips. Now I said to myself, I'm going to make this skirt and I'm going to tackle this invisible zip situation. So I made this skirt here. This skirt is a pencil skirt, and it's got a little ruffle at the bottom, and it's got a little slit here, and the ruffle goes all the way behind. And I'll show you the invisible zip. I mean, hopefully you can see that. It's right there, as you can see. And I thought I'd actually did a good job, don't you think? Yeah, it's my first proper invisible zip, and I actually used the Mimi G pattern to make this. And oh my gosh, I'm actually really proud of myself for making this. Really cute little skirt, and it's really quite elegant. You can wear it to a dinner party or some sort of event, corporate event or whatever. Just wear a nice orangey top, or you can wear something to like something dark to match on top, like a nice like a black shirt or something tucked in. That will look really nice actually. So that's that one. With me, I love dresses. I love bodycon dresses because I'm curvy, so I'm not like a skinny mini, but I like bodycon dresses that accentuate my shape. So on my Instagram again, I made this dress, but I made another one in the same material, but it's a different style. So this style here, and I'll show you what it looks like on, because this one actually fits me. So this is the dress here, and it's really flattering. It's a loose sort of slouchy, it's loose and slouchy at the top, and it's got elastic sleeves, so it kind of just cinches at the sleeves, but it's really, and it's really comfortable on, and it goes down to my knee. I like it when it just goes under my knee. And what I also did is I added a collar here. I added a collar. It's not all out there, it's nice, it just nips in at the right places. So I made that and I really enjoyed that one. So I made another dress, slightly different but in the same material. So I made this one here. Again, it's very similar, so I have to show you on, but again it's slouchy at the sleeves, but this time the sleeves are nipped in. They're like straight here and here, and again, and the actual neckline is slit. It's not like a polo high neck, it's slit, so it kind of slouches off. You'll see me wearing it, you should see me be wearing it right now. So yeah, but yeah, I like this one. I love this dress, and I thought to myself, I'm gonna make loads more in this kind of style. You know, you can wear it to all different, it's very kind of versatile in terms of where you can wear it. You can wear it to corporate event, you can wear it on a night out, you know, you can kind of wear it to dinner parties. It's very versatile. I like that kind of style with these dresses. So yeah, that's another one. So I follow this guy on YouTube, Kenandrew Daily. Sorry, I got your name right. Anyway, I'll link his channel below. But oh my god, the guy is a legend. He's so cool, and he's got me into doing t-shirts and casual hip-hop type of wear. I don't know, but anyway, I wanted to dabble in menswear, so I've actually come up with 2 t-shirts. Now the first one I did, actually this one is more for, it's more unisex. I think I wanted it to be for men, but I think it turned out into maybe more of a woman's top. But yeah, anyway, you could be a judge of that. So that's this one here. So what I did, obviously I love my Ankara, so I added some pockets at the bottom here, pockets here, and it's got a side slit here. So the side slit is there, and you've got like tapered in sleeves, and then the collar goes there. And I just thought, oh, I love it. I actually really like it. So, and it didn't take me long at all. I think the only bit that took long was to actually cut out the material. But other than that, it was literally just trace over a t-shirt, and you just, you know, do the collars and everything else. And there you go. So having said that, I did another one.
This time I kind of cranked it up a notch, you know what I mean?
So I did this one, and this time I added a hood. So you got a hood here, and what I did with the sleeves, I added sleeves, but I tapered, I did sort of like a flap over for the sleeves where you can see the Ankara. And I added, it was meant to be sort of like a design where at the bottom it's just an added piece of Ankara. So you just add it there on the bottom, and it's like asymmetrical, so it's not kind of right across, it's asymmetrical. Do you see what I mean? But I really liked it, and you know, I've had a really good response with these t-shirts, so I will be making more of them. That's the YouTuber that I followed, and he gave me this inspiration to start making t-shirts and men's things. So yeah, I really enjoyed that. So those are all my makes for the month of September. I hope you've enjoyed reviewing them with me today. Well, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget, please press the subscribe button and the notification bell. Every time I upload videos, you'll get a notification. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.